Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
U Menteri Ketenaga Kampoyeng ke Sarkar Jala u Badairu u MLA jangka War Jaintia Constituency uba Lakemen Rumbui kum Shibentaban Pencelori ya ki Samla ki balah pas bah ki eksamen bofer ula ai khusnam ya ki da ka song pisa rengkat ka Sernot ka jingyalang Pynkup Burom ka bala tip kum ka 7th Amlarem Legislative Assembly Constituency Academic Award Ceremony la penlong haplau jangka annual hall ha ka jingidon lang u Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jala uba DP Walang u Director General of Police u Dr. LR Bishnoi IPS u Commissioner and Secretary Ketenaga Pule Puthi u Dr. BDR Tiwari ka SDO Amlarem Civil Subdivision ka kong YR Maulong bat ki kme ki pa jong ki khna bat ki Samla hagani ka sngi la Pynkup Burom hado lais pangut tam ki khna bat ki Samla Pule ki bala pas ha ke examen SSLC HSSLC hado ke degree level la Pynkup Burom ru da ka special award shaki khat saungut ki nong pet nong khmi ya ka jingkho jingsuba jong ka yo ha Amlarem.
Dear students, you might have done very hard work to secure good marks. You have to keep up the momentum once you enter in the colleges and universities. I was told that some of the students are from very, very remote areas and from the very poor families, but here by their hard work and determinations, they have done extremely well in the academics field, and today they are going to be awarded. Dear students, first of all, let me say that your inner intelligence is second to none. You are very talented, and I'm sure that you are going to shine in the field of academics in the colleges and universities. Dear students, please keep few things in mind when you go for college and universities, that continue to work hard. Try to take care of your health, both physical as well as mental health. Remain away from all the vices, particularly drug abuse. A single case of drug abuse is noted. For last 3 years, not a single NDPS case is registered in the Thana. This indicates that the peoples are by and large, they are free from the drug abuse, but still young generations, we have to extremely careful when we move out of the Amlarems and go for higher studies. So please keep the picture of your parents always in your mind, who have done a lot of hard work to see you here. Kublai, kumno filong, nanga kamen ban man poisa, kaneka jingyalang. Mga priyang sangopha yafi baro. Mga karku yafi baro. Thank you very much. Kublai Sebun.
First and foremost, I would like to convey a message to the teachers. All the teachers who are present here, you have a huge responsibility. We are all grateful, especially since we have all worked in the education department. We know the challenges of the sector, but we are grateful to all of you for your contribution to the education sector in the state of Meghalaya. Your contribution has made this function possible because the students have received the knowledge, have received the wisdom through your teachings in the classroom. What you have translated in the classroom has epitomized now in this function. I would like to express only one message for the teachers. Remember that a good teacher just tells what is there in the textbook. outstanding, excellent teacher explain what is there in the textbook. A superior teacher will demonstrate exactly what is there in the textbook, what is available in the books. But most important is a great teacher, which I want that all of you should be a great teacher. A great teacher will inspire the students. We want that all the teachers who are present here not only teach, not only experiment, not only demonstrate, but inspire the students so that the students will remember you for whatever inspiration they imbibe from your teachings. Nashkwa ban ai kani ka khubor ba kani ban encourage, kani ban motivate, kani ban ai man same yaki khon jong phi ba hakajing pule jong ki ba kani ban yat shakmat hakajing pule ba ndai ban ong yaki khon ba pet serang ban aparano ndai ban ong yaki khon ba pet let up masino lani let up lang no pidei ban ong yaki khon ba kidei ban let school but bagi ban pendep ya kijing pule jongki kata kadai ka bangkwa ban ai kijing kren nagbenta kikme kikpa. First, I congratulate all of you. You all have done well. But remember, this is a one-time success. You still have to do a lot of things. Even those who have finished their graduation, those who have finished their post-graduation, this is not the end. This is one function. You still have to come forward and do a lot more. And I'm sure that those are sitting here in front of us, one fine day, your aim should be that you should walk from where you're sitting over here and be sure that one day you'll stand here and face the audience. That is the least of the aim that you should have in your mind. You have to work hard, you'll have to strive hard, you'll have to ensure that there is perseverance in your efforts. And as our learned DGP has mentioned, always stay away from bad habits. Always stay away from vices. It is very, very dangerous. It's like a trap for all of you students. The temptation is always there. Whether you're here, whether you go to Shillong later on, you go outside the state, the temptations will be there, but you have to be strong-willed. You have to be very, very determined to achieve your goals. And you come to the other side of the stage and you face the audience one day and you speak to the audience and you inspire them.
Kajing im, kada kajing yele. Den takadaw, pinhab ban yele nakaway ko po siya. Henry, bapilayo ya kanagalat. Kapan i, bapila perang ya kajimut si perkat. Pila perang, ya kajing tip, kenang bapila ban keu syakmat. Wat ang ngadai upaduk kajik stat amdan kampe yoi uno baduk bad uno riuspa. Kajik stat katip yauno ubriu ubawat. Pilong genangwat, pilong gebariuspa. Wat ang bagajing dok kan kang lenti. Henry kajing dok kadai ka nang ay bariapi bapinla ban overcome. Always search, always learn, always relearn. Mangapor, wat jing tip, wat iki jing tip, but nang pen jana shushu yaka jing tip kejampi. Hapa makalia jangi, life ustan hajat approximately ke kena ke bapas nadu kelas 10 hadu kiwe pat ki kerdan hakasisna hatu kasarkar kami mo laipusan hajar teliki kam hakasisna shanu kija ki samla hadai kemau ke babun kiyeng halaki jongki jat ki jongki but kila man pendap amtang ya kihi Henry ya kiweru kumju but kalat kalong kababun pilai i kipriu ki panabar balay kiyawan syane syepo kastit ke jongi namar bakilat ki babun Handai la pi ong bakilat kin chuan happy kamau pinong yo yakano kuno kabajet haban yale Handai ngangai scam ba pi ki kon samla jong ka constituency ki kon samla jong ka state ki jongi pinla ban job kini ki officer ki danang ne balai kilang akan nega post ngakerman scam ba ngadon kata kajing kerman ba kajing scam bala shaila sisngi iwe napi arngon napi pinya butlem penaba pinglong kom kine am dan kalenti ka ban lawan khang ye phi tang ma phi hi dalade yalade tesngau ba kokna samla ka jongi kiba poi kiba yo ek award bar kitu bam yo ek award ro kajing im jongi kam kut ta ka we exam kajing im jongi ka kut hakum no ngila ban overcome ya kita ki challenge jongi kiba man gaski ka result jonga class 10 ka class 12 ka BA ka jobi kan day ka result jong ka BA ka BSc lane kiwe kadai ka result jong ka jing trai shitom jong phi ha baman lakasngi tanga kun nong mikmat jong phi ngine trai shitom na banta ka jing bek ka jing beang shwa bangin wan shone ngile shwa to preshkap ngi kamau ba ha to preshkap nado arja khatar ngilarai banbu residential school of Pynkup balashna yaka badhanus nem ngilala ban pendet yaki hostel kajing ban jungi mentagas ngi kalong kum nawan sanction knang ba haka next academic session ngin la ban play yang class 9 10 11 and 12 hapo Pynkup nag mentaka arts bat ke commerce kane ka jing kwa ka jungi nakalang ka sarkar hoy ngitip ya ka sarkar kalang bungi kam ke banle hado ngidang bok badaji lang bagi officer hapo ke department but dajile tristom ji anu kejangpi ngin la ban pen urlong iya kane kibriu ke la ban ong o tarum boy balai mentala production ba umle menta kinong pasni ba kinong kren ke la ban kren ke la phojai rengangam ju kwa ban jupap ya ka jing kren jang kibriu ka jupap jang ma kri dak ka mentangi awat ya kini kena kane kiba beli kim tip ya ke kiba ong balai mentau snem kim tip ba lai snem pura ngi ai awat ya ki kena badai tangi ar snem ke badan covid ngi pep kini kena rema phi ro ji pule ke jang phi ki jing kena ke babun kin dang ba kena ya phi ba phimla kan ne phimlak tai rei wat ai ba ka jing kena jang gi breu kan la ka mau jin thut ka ji im jang phi nga shem halade ladang ngap ya ka jing kena jang gi breu kanom nganom la ban mi stang semadan ro ngan susong khop hayin hanrai ngan ju ro nga persang ngan ju bab da kam ban penmentoy ya pai ba ban penmentoy ya konstitusi ban ya state barok away phi kon khna skor ka we ka bangan hikaya phi learn ban observe ya criticism learn ban deflect ya criticism learn ban manipulate ya criticism in such a way kenang ba pinla ban overcome ya ka e baro den ta kadaw watsha bagajing kena kajing tepi jang diberi phi hala ka dor lapis new door film kop phi jrong nane phi nang ya ka phi kanu ka kam watsha bakin lok ke baju thot tre la phi tip ba phi le ya kanu ka bhatam le ya kata lai pu khandai mut ke khna samla ngasih da school ki lada kino kira khna school kibaran kam ka jirap kibaduk shisha kibaran kam ka jirap nam table school lapi tham shisha mle school kajing khang jamna kaple nagbanta banjarap yapi arki risa po karnu Silvario Slamin. Lap. Boy, Yaki Award.
Mana ni ada?